Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the learning class. Today's video is on how to create a Google Ads campaign using Bard from Google. So Bard is the AI equivalent of ChatGPT or Microsoft Bing, right? So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we start, do consider subscribing, liking. We are kind of a new channel, just helps the channel out. Okay, so the first thing is obviously go to Bard. So just go on your browser, Chrome browser, and type in Bard Google. I'm not a robot. And now it opens up this is how it looks like. Okay, so before I start, obviously Google Ads is probably the most important part of your business because Google is the biggest search engine, and if you're not advertising on Google, you obviously are missing out on tons and tons of money. So the reason I chose Bard to advertise, to create my marketing campaign is because Bard is owned by Google. So instead of asking ChatGPT or Bing, if I ask Bard to create a Google's campaign, it is going to give me the most correct information because we are going to be running the ad on Google. So that kind of makes sense, right? So I'm going to be doing a campaign for a pet store, but obviously this is applicable for any business. Okay, I have already written a prompt, so I'm just going to copy this. I'll put this prompt in the description as well, right? So you guys can just copy paste it. So the prompt is make a Google Ads PPC. PPC is pay per click plan for a pet dropshipping store. We sell pet accessories, pet food, pet clothing, etc. Our target market is the US, Canada, Australia, and the UK. So this is a very, very basic prompt. You can give more information as well. So yeah, feel free to give more information. Obviously the more information you give, the more detailed response you're gonna get, but for me this just works. You can just replace this the pet dropping store by fashion, electronics, organic, whatever whatever your business is, right? Okay, let's click enter. So now it's thinking, and now it's gonna give us a PPC plan. So there you go. Now it has given us a nice little plan, which I would suggest you copy this and put it in a document. Okay, so it's basically given us the target market, audience. So the audience is pet owners of all ages and income levels. What should be the campaign goal, the campaign structure, budget, bidding. So as you can see, because Bard is owned by Google, it is giving you like the really, really important information because it is getting the information from its own database, which is Google, right? So this is the plan. Okay, now the next prompt is going to be the actual campaign, because this is where most of us get stuck, right? Like how to what to write in the campaign, what keyword should I be using. So I'm just going to ask Bard, always be polite, please create a campaign from the above information. Now hopefully it should create a campaign for me. Okay, fingers crossed. Mr. Bard, make us happy. Come on. Bard is thinking. Wow. So there you go. It has now actually created a campaign. So I don't have to hire any Tom, Dick, and Harry, pay them like literally thousands of dollars to write a campaign for me or to do a campaign for me, because now it has already given me a full campaign that I can run. So campaign name is pet dropshipping store. What is the campaign goal? Increase sales of pet accessories. The target audience. So now it has given me keywords, that I can use, and it has given me ad copy. So you can see, beautiful, your one-stop shop for all things pet. It's given me a description. So it has given me one campaign. It has given me a lead generation campaign, and it has given me a sales campaign. So it has actually created, wow, 4 campaigns for me. Okay, and it has actually given me a nice detailed explanation of what information should I put. Now, of course, you can let's just try to see, you can try to elaborate this. So let's just take the first campaign. Okay, campaign 1. I'm just going to copy this, put it here. Okay, shift enter just to go up, and then just type in please give a detailed campaign, please, from the below info. Okay, so let's see what it does. So the first campaign is brand awareness, and hopefully it will now elaborate more on that campaign. Awesome. So now it's given you a really detailed information on the campaign. So all you got to do is now just go in your Google Ads, and then basically you can just literally copy paste the information. Yeah. So you don't really have to copy paste everything. You can change it, customize it a little, but from my experience, it is pretty good. So you can just literally copy paste the information on the campaign into your Google Ads, and you can run your own ads, and you don't have to go to some dodgy agency and give them thousands of dollars without getting any results. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.